For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Avalanche's future while talking about Avax cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Avalanche. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the IOTA value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Avalanche is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Avalanche succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Avalanche value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Avalanche and its to-date history. Torrential slide is a general stage for sending off decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, monetary resources, exchanging and different administrations. The objective is to be something of a worldwide resources trade, permitting anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other state-of-the-art innovations. Group behind the task is Avalabs, and developers at Avalabs guarantee that Avalanche is the primary brilliant agreements organization to offer exchange conclusion in less than 1 second as standard. Avax sent off its mainnet in September 2020. The stage's local token, Avax, performs different undertakings inside Avalanche and furthermore works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide is the main brilliant agreement stage that can affirm exchanges in less than 1 second, upholds the sum of the Ethereum improvement tool compartment, and empowers a great many free validators to partake as full block makers. Avalanche had north of 1,000 full block delivering hubs on its Denali testnet. As well as supporting exchange conclusion under 1 second, Avalanche is fit for throughput significant degrees more noteworthy than existing decentralized blockchain networks, 4,500 plus exchanges, second, and security limits well over the 51% norms of different organizations. What is the Avalanche, AVAX, token? Avax is the local badge of Avalanche. It is a hard-covered, scanned resource that is utilized to pay for expenses, secure the stage through marking, and give an essential unit of record between the numerous subnets made on Avalanche. How is the Avalanche network secured? Torrential slide is a proof of stake (POS) convention which rewards clients for marking coins. POS networks have experienced harsh criticism for their low assault cost, which at times has uncovered serious weaknesses. As per Avalabs, Avalanche gets around this by changing administration to make it everything except inconceivable for an aggressor to acquire the vital agreement clandestinely. Torrential slide price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. Torrential slide coin price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September minus 14.12%, $19.07. 2022 October minus 28.30%, $15.92. 2022 November minus 29.17%, $15.73. 2022 December minus 20.41%, $17.67. 2023 Jan minus 16.91%, $18.45. 2023 February minus 13.82%, $19.13. 2023 Mar minus 7.82%, $20.47. 2023 April plus 1.34%, $22.50. 2023 May plus 7.61%, $23.89. 2023 June plus 17.61%, $26.11. 2023 July plus 19.06%, $26.43. 2023 August plus 24.80%, $27.71. Avax price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees Avax coming to $45.74 in 2025. What will Avax be worth in 5 years? The cost of Avax in 5 years could lie around $42.39. Torrential slide coin price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Avalanche will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Avalanche coming to $114.34 in 2030. What Avalanche will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Avalanche coming to $228.68 in 2040. Will Avalanche supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Avalanche won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Will Avalanche reach $100? Indeed, Avalanche could reach $100 toward the finish of 2022. Will Avalanche reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable Avalanche can reach $1,000, however, just in a separated future, after 2030. Is Avalanche worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Along these lines,